In this short video, we will see terminology of coordination compound. In the previous video, we have learned how coordination compound are formed and what is the difference between double salt and complexes. The link of this video has been tagged in the description box. Please check out. Before we start today's video, I request you to all, please hit like and share and subscribe button. Let's start today's video. Terminology of coordination compound. Terminology of the coordination compound को हम समझेंगे एक एग्जाम्पल से. मैंने लिया है यहाँ पर पोटेशियम फेरोसाइनाइड. Generally, the coordination compound contain two parts. The leftmost part is considered as cationic part and the rightmost part considered as anionic part. Here is the potassium is counter ion and the square bracket consists central metal atom, ligand and the coordination number. The central metal atom is here is iron. How to find out the oxidation state of central metal atom, इस पर भी मैंने एक वीडियो बना रखा है, इस जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. प्लीज चेक आउट. The cyanide is the ligand and the coordination number is 6. This is all about the terminology of the coordination compound. मैं इसी तरीके की वीडियोस बनाता रहता हूँ, कलरफुल वीडियोस, ताकि आप अच्छी तरीके से ग्रैब कर पाए. See you again in the next video.